Hello, Baulal. Okay, friends, are you ready? Let us start the physical properties of amine compounds today. Any organic compound possesses two types of property. First one physical properties, second one chemical properties. Which type of properties are known as physical properties? The properties of substance which remain constant and the structure of substance will remain as it is, and that type of properties are known as physical properties. Chemical properties में structure substance का change हो जाता है. Today we will talk about only physical properties of amines. Yes, first one, physical state. In our everyday life we can see state of matter. There are three types of state of matters. First one, either it may be in solid state, otherwise liquid state, otherwise gaseous state. In case of amine compound, you see, in just this is a general way for organic compounds. Organic compound having less number of carbon atom possess gaseous state. As number of carbon increase, the state will vary from gaseous to liquid. और ज़्यादा कार्बन होंगे तो उसकी फिजिकल स्टेट सॉलिड होगी. Then second one is color. Finally, in pure state, amines compounds are colorless. But when they expose to air, their color will be transferred from colorless to reddish color. You see in laboratory, pure aniline will be colorless, but after a long time it will change into reddish color. Then solubility, third one, solubility in water. Yes, solubility in water. If you want to discuss the solubility in water, this is just general way. I'm talking about only organic compounds. If organic compounds is capable to form hydrogen bond with water molecule, then it will be mixed to water, otherwise soluble in water. If organic compound is not capable to form hydrogen bond with water molecule, then that substance will not be soluble in water. It will not be. Suppose it is liquid, it will not be miscible with water. Main factor is hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond, the bond in which hydrogen is evolved. हाइड्रोजन इन्वॉल्व है, इस टाइप के बॉन्ड्स को हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बोलते हैं. What are the conditions for the formation of hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond can be defined. It is far better to say positively charged hydrogen and lone pair of electron बीच का attraction, force of attraction between positively charged hydrogen and lone pair of electron. It is known as hydrogen bond. तो ये हो गया as positively charged hydrogen and lone pair of electron. If possess a negative charge, there will be attraction, weak attraction between positively charged hydrogen and lone pair of electron. This is hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is very weak hydrogen bond. So, what are the conditions to form the hydrogen bond? First one, positively charged hydrogen must be present. Second, lone pair of electrons should be present. Otherwise you can say must be present. And third one, size of molecule. Will be small. The organic compound having large size will not form the hydrogen bond with water molecule. यदि कोई organic compound water molecule के साथ hydrogen bond बनाता, then it will be mixed with water. Now you see, in case of primary amines can be classified in three types. Amines. Primary amines, secondary amine, tertiary amine. So in primary amine RNH2, you see, nitrogen possesses lone pair of electron. in bond NH, electronegativity of nitrogen is more compared to hydrogen. That's why this bonding electron pair will slightly shifted toward the nitrogen atom. As a result, hydrogen will become positively charged. तो ये positively charged hydrogen will form hydrogen bond with this water molecule. Second hydrogen will also form second hydrogen bond with water molecule. And lone pair of electron remain in nitrogen atom is also capable to form hydrogen bond with water molecule. Means primary amine form 3 hydrogen. One molecule of primary amine is capable to form 3 hydrogen bonds with water molecule. Whereas in the case of secondary amine के case में 2 alkyl groups or 1 hydrogen atom is attached with nitrogen. This hydrogen is positively charged. This hydrogen and water molecule के बीच hydrogen bond बनेगा. Second hydrogen bond will form between the water molecule and lone pair of electron remain on nitrogen atom. So can we say 2 hydrogen bonds are formed in secondary amines? In case of tertiary amine molecules can form only 1 hydrogen bond. If the more number of hydrogen bond formed by amines with a water molecule, its water solubility will be more and less number of hydrogen. That's why we can say, yes, primary amines की solubility is more compared to secondary amine. Its solubility will come more compared to tertiary amine. Now you see solubility. One more thing, in primary amine के case में RNA2, this is the general formula. R is replaced by methyl amine, ethyl amine, propyl, primary propyl amine. As R increase, size of R increase, finally overall primary amine molecules की size भी increase होती जाती है. This molecule is capable to form hydrogen bond. Yes, among the 3 conditions, there are 3 conditions for the formation of hydrogen bond. ये तीन कंडीशन ऑबे होनी चाहिए, फुलफिल होनी चाहिए. उसमें से एक भी कंडीशन फेल हो गई, then hydrogen bond will not form. यहाँ इसका molecular size ज़्यादा है, तो this molecule is not ready to form hydrogen bond with water molecule. तो उसकी water solubility कम होगी, इसकी ज़्यादा होगी. That's why in homologous series of primary amine compound, as we go from top to bottom, water solubility will decrease because of hydrogen bond will not form. Third one is boiling point. Boiling point, if amine, yes, boiling point liquid को होते हैं. A particular temperature at which liquid will start to boil and converts into gaseous state, and this particular temperature is known as the boiling point. We should have to compare the primary amine, and this is the formula of alkane. Methylamine, this is methane. Methylamine possesses only 1 carbon, methane possesses only 1 carbon. That's why we can say methane is a corresponding compound of methylamine. Yes, ethane is a corresponding compound of ethylamine, and primary butylamine is corresponding compound of propane. तो जितने कार्बन एमाइन में है, सेम नंबर वाला कार्बन होने चाहिए अल्केन में, उसको हम corresponding compound बोलते हैं. Now see, yes, boiling point of primary amine always greater than related corresponding alkane compound, because in alkane compound there is no chance for the formation of hydrogen bond. In amine compound, hydrogen bond has formed. That's why you can say boiling point of methylamine is more compared to methane. Boiling point of ethylamine is more compared to ethane. Second, boiling point of amines is greater than boiling point of alkyl halide. In alkyl halide, organic halide, there is a bond between carbon and halogen. Electronegativity of halogen is more compared to carbon. This is minus charge, this is plus charge. This is the polar bond. पोलर बॉन्ड का फैक्टर यहाँ काम करेगा, बट पोलर बॉन्ड के थ्रू जो बॉन्ड बनता है वैन डर वाल्स बॉन्ड, इट इज वीक कंपेयर टू हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड। इन प्राइमरी एमाइन कंपाउंड में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड इज पॉसिबल, इसमें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड पॉसिबल नहीं है। दैट्स व्हाई बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्राइमरी एमाइन ऑलवेज मोर कंपेयर टू यस रिलेटेड ऑर्गेनिक एलाइड कंपाउंड्स। थर्ड वन, you take primary amine comparison of boiling point in amines compound and alcohol compounds. You see, in amine compound there is a NH bond, in alcohol compound there is a OH bond. Electronegativity of oxygen is more compared to nitrogen because atomic number of oxygen is 8. That's why 8 protons are present in nucleus of oxygen, and atomic number of nitrogen is 7. That's why yes, 7 proton will be present in nucleus of nitrogen. That's why ये bonding electron pair पे attraction oxygen की ओर से ज़्यादा रहेगा. This why this bond will becomes more polar. तो यहाँ बॉन्ड जो बनेगा, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड विल बी स्ट्रॉन्ग कंपेयर टू हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्मिंग इन दोनों कंपाउंड में, इन बोथ एमाइंस एंड अल्कोहल कंपाउंड हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म, बट strength of hydrogen bond in alcohol compound is more compared to hydrogen bond formed in amine compound due to more electronegativity of oxygen than nitrogen atom. Fourth one, in homologous series of alkyl amine, R is replaced by different alkyl group, methyl, ethyl, primary propyl, primary butyl. As we go from top to bottom, the size or R will increase. इनकी वजह से H bond formation की possibility decrease होती जाएगी. तो इनका as we go from top to bottom, boiling point will automatically decrease. One more thing, अच्छा यहाँ increase होती जाएगा, increase because यहाँ number of bond will increase as we go from top to bottom. Number of bond methyl amine में C H H H, then N H and H. 1 2 3 4 5 6, इसमें 6 bond है. In case of ethyl amine, there are, you can calculate the total number of bond remain in ethyl amine. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, energy required to break 9 bond always more compared to energy required to break 6 bond. That's why in homologous series, as we go from top to bottom, number of bonds will increase. As a result, homologous series में boiling point increase होते जाएंगे. Now, fifth one, this portion is very important. In isomeric amines, the amines having the same molecular formula but different structure of formula, they are known as isomers. C4H9NH2. C4H9NH2. इनके 3 आइसोमर्स हैं, CH3 single bond, Cl2 Cl2. This is primary butyl amine, this is secondary butyl amine, this is tertiary butyl amine. Yes, primary butyl amine is possess a member 1 2 3 4 5. 5 members are arranged in a linear chain. In secondary butyl amine, linear chain में 4 member है. In tertiary butyl amine में there are 2 side chains. In organic compound, as side chain increase, the molecule will shrink. As a result, distance between molecules will increase. इनकी वजह से इनके boiling point, van der Waals bond weak होता जाएगा Due to that reason, boiling point will decrease. Okay, friends, Babylon, thank you very much. Next time we will see about the chemical properties of amines. Some basic properties also remain. It will see later on.